What really happens to your body when you hold a deep squat for 1 minute every single day? It sounds simple, almost too simple to even matter, but the results are massive, and not what you think. So, I did it every day for 30 days. And here's what actually changed. Mobility and structural reset number 1. Mobility and structural reset. A deep squat isn't just a stretch. It's a full structural reset for your body. When you drop into a deep squat, your hips, ankles, and lower back start reclaiming their natural mobility. Mobility that years of sitting slowly took away. By day 3, my ankles stopped feeling like rusted hinges. The position still wasn't comfortable, but my body stopped fighting it. By the end of week 1, my lower back pain started to fade. Opening the hips and decompressing the spine released years of built-up tension. By week 2, my heels stayed flat on the ground without effort. I could breathe into my belly, relax my hips, and actually rest in the position. And by week 3, the difference was obvious. My squats felt smoother, walking felt more fluid, and even standing for long periods stopped hurting my back. That's the power of the deep squat. Fix the foundation, and the rest of your movement follows. Number A. Joint longevity. Joint longevity. Now here's the part most people never think about. We usually treat squatting like an exercise. But for the human body, this is actually a natural resting position. When you sit in a deep squat, your joints compress slightly, and when you stand up, fresh synovial fluid rushes back in. It's like a natural oil change for your hips and knees. Over time, it keeps your joints healthy, strong, and pain-free. You won't notice it in a mirror, but your body will feel the difference. Healthier joints, real mobility, all from one simple position. And now the hardest part, #3. Stillness, the hardest part. Stillness. The first 30 seconds challenge your joints. The last 30 seconds challenge your mind. Holding still feels strangely uncomfortable. Your brain immediately looks for an escape. But if you stay there, something interesting happens. Your breathing slows down. Your nervous system starts to relax. And that 1 minute becomes a small daily practice in stillness. Over time, it builds something deeper than mobility, patience, focus, and the ability to stay calm under tension. How to do the perfect deep squat. If you want to get these results, your form matters. Here's how to do the golden deep squat. Keep your heels flat on the ground. If they lift, place something under your heels until your mobility improves. Push your knees outward. You can gently use your elbows to open the hips. Keep your chest tall. Don't collapse forward. Lengthen your spine and look straight ahead. Distribute your weight evenly across your entire foot, not just your toes. And most importantly, breathe. Send your breath deep into your belly to help the muscles relax. Are deep squats worth it? So, is it worth it? Without a doubt. 1 minute a day. Better joints, better mobility, and a calmer mind. Start today. Even if you can only hold it for 20 seconds, the sooner you reclaim it, the better you'll feel.